So here is this amazing app called MYSTRO. So if you are an Uber driver or Lyft driver or Dasher for DoorDash, this is definitely a great app for you to try out because with this app you can boost your earnings. So the idea of the app is really amazing. So you can sign up for Uber, for Lyft, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, Amazon Flex, and then you can see all of the offers in this one MYSTRO app. And then you can basically select only the best offers for you right now, and then go offline on other apps when you accept a ride or delivery. Use filters to auto accept only the best offers based on job type, fare, distance, earnings per hour, and more. And then you can configure MYSTRO to auto decline the offers that don't pass your filters. View secret rideshare and delivery hotspots in your area. So here it is. Here is the app, and basically, yeah, that's how it looks like. You just set up your filters. You can set up the most expensive fares, and then yeah, just the most expensive prices per mile, and yeah, just really boost your earnings instead of using just like one Uber driver app and only sticking what is it like, there at the same time at the same area there can be a better offer from like Grubhub, for example. So yep, so just open the app, and what you need to do, you need to link your Uber, Lyft, Grubhub, Flex, Amazon Flex, and DoorDash. So you need, for example, go here, and then you can continue with Apple or Google or find your account. Yeah, so that's basically the idea. You just need to do all of these things. Just follow it out here, and then there's some like user manuals. Then when you're ready to begin driving, open MYSTRO and tap the go button at the bottom. MYSTRO will bring all of your linked and enabled gig apps online immediately. There is no need to open the gig apps first, and we recommend only going on and offline through MYSTRO. To stop driving, tap the stop button. MYSTRO will take all services online. If there is a problem when taking one of the services online, the gig app will say action required, and then you just need to tap the gig apps. So there you have it. Accept and decline all trips through MYSTRO. If you accept a ride directly in the gig app, MYSTRO might not notice and may leave your other apps online. So then you just have it here. So it can take some time for the app to recognize that the ride has been accepted. While on the ride, you might receive a stacked ride. So there you have it. So at the moment, you just see these apps available. Also, they have Amazon Flex in here. Yeah, you need to update the app quite often, and all of these things. Also, there is like a hotspots that shows a map of where offers have been coming from in the past hour. It is updated every 10 minutes. There are currently two options: hotspots for our rideshare offers and hotspots for delivery offers. Both can be viewed from the app home screen. So yep, that's the idea basically, how you can just try it out. Of course, you need to be Uber driver first, so you need to apply for become Uber driver. I don't have that account. I'm not like this economy yet, but here you can just apply there, and then that's the idea. So yep, that's basically how it works. Hope this is helpful.